monster. Oh, hope you're feeling full of brains today because I am bursting with new ideas for creations that we can make together. Earlier on today, you see, Drago snuck up on me and made me jump into the air. Oh, she is a cheeky monster. Although, it did help us come up with a really cool idea. Are you ready to hear what it is? Well, we are going to make, a drum roll please, a rocket! Now to make your super duper trooper looper scientific rocket, oh, that is a mouthful. We need to make sure we have everything we need on Drago's list. So Drago, what do we need? Some coloured card, an empty plastic bottle, a cork, a pump with a needle adapter. This is very important. Coloured pencils or pens, stickers and decorations, some sticky tape or glue, some scissors, and of course, your hands. You may need a grown-up to help you too with some of the trickier parts. Now we need to make the fins of our rocket to go on the side, just like a real rocket. So I'm going to do this by taking this lovely piece of purple card. Now I've chosen purple because it reminds me of space, but you can choose any colour you want, like blue or red or even your favourite colour. Now take a pencil and we're going to start by drawing a big triangle like this. There we go, ta-da! Oh, and don't forget to add a little tab on the side too, because you'll need that to stick it onto your bottle later. And there we go. Now all we need to do is cut out our triangle. So I'm going to use a pair of snip, snip scissors. Oh, but be careful not to cut your hair with these. Also, if you're not feeling too brave, you can always ask your grown-ups to help you as well. But because I'm feeling particularly brave, I'm going to do it all by myself today. And there we go. Ta-da! There we go, there's a fin for our rocket. Now we need 2 more fins, but I tell you what you can do, cheeky monsters. You can take the one from earlier, put it onto the paper like this, and draw around it again like a template. And then you'll have 3. And they should look just like this. There we go, we've got 1, 2, 3. Would you look at that? We need another piece of coloured card. So today I've chosen blue. Now you only need 1/2, so just cut the other half off, put that down there for later. And then we need to decorate our card. And I've already done this with a lovely big cheeky monster moon. Now for the tricky part, and you may need a grown-up to help you. We are going to fold this into a cone shape, like this. Make sure it's nice and thin. There we go. And then we're going to secure it down with some sticky tape. There's 1. And there's 2. Perfect. And now we have our 3 fins and the nose of our rockets. Why not try making your own rocket at home? And if you want to learn how to launch your rocket into space, check out the My Cheeky Monster website to learn how. Now, I'm going to head outdoors and launch this rocket myself, but be sure to join me again for some more cheeky creations. And remember, everyone has a cheeky monster. Which one are you? Until next time, goodbye, cheeky monsters! Woo, hey!